experience in acting? Siyempre, mga nag-uumpisa pa lang naman tayo. Pero, so far, paano mo masasabi na magaling na supporting actor or actress ang ka-eksena mo?
Supporting.
Well,
What do you think?
Well, I'm still learning up to this day with my co-actors, of course my director. And I feel like a supporting actor plays such an important role. Dahil, of course, kailangan mo supportahan ng lead. But you also support the lead without dimming your own light. So, yun ang ka-importansya ng isang supporting actor talaga.
Yeah, like she said, parang for me, it's all about the collaborative spirit.
Yes.
When you're able to bounce off of each other, to lift the scene and not yourself.
Correct.
Tama. Ang ganda ng mga sagot nyo. And I think our next presenters would also agree, syempre with their experience in lead and supporting roles. Presenting the Eddie's Choice for Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress, please welcome Elijah Canlas and Miss Nikki Valdez.
Good evening, everybody.
And John D. Gomburza.
Hindi ka tumawag sa mga hindi ko napampating! Regesa! Baril panggigig!
Silencio, Padre Favor!
Sandali, hindi niyo ako pinakikinggan! Sandali!
Kipi De Leon. Here comes the groove.
Asawa, okay ka lang, te? Ano yung chubby-chubby ko? Muay Thai.
And the Eddie's Choice is...
Nung unang beses ko po napanood yung Gomburza, sabi ko, my God, ang galing ni Cedric, ang galing ni Dante Rivero, ang galing ni Elijah, ang galing ni Piolo Pascual. Tapos sabi ko, lumabas yung character ko nung namatay si Piolo Pascual. Tapos sabi ko, bakit ganun? Parang feeling ko, hindi enough yung ginawa kong performance to be noticed and to be recognized. Pero ngayon po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors kasi po, ni-remind nyo sa akin na hindi po haba ng performance sa isang proyekto ang tinitingnan ninyo, but rather how much impact and how much you make your audience feel. So I really appreciate this award, and I'm shaking. I will never forget this night. To our producers, I'd like to thank Jesuits Communication, CMB Films, Media Quest Ventures, and Signal, kasi po tumataya kayo sa paggawa ng kalidad na pelikula kahit sa panahon na ito na napakahirap po kumita ng pelikula ngayon. Third, sa lahat po nung nakasama ko na bumubuo po ng Gomburza, thank you very much for allowing me to work with you, for allowing us to show something that will make us proud as Filipino people. And I share this award to all of you. And last, I'd like to dedicate this sa lahat po ng tao na naghahantay ng hustisya sa bansa natin. Ang kwento po ng Gomburza ay isang representasyon ng mga tao na naghahantay ng hustisya na sana makamit nila. Kaya po, maraming salamat. This night will never be forgotten. Thank you very much, Elvis.
Hello, congratulations, Marina.
Ay, congratulations din sa'yo. Kasi pogi-pogi mo ngayong gabi. Parang pumapangalawa lang si Bong Revilla. It is indeed an honor to present the nominees for Best Supporting Actress.
For Best Supporting Actress.
And the Eddie's choice is Gladys Reyes.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First nomination ko po, ito sa Eddies. And salamat po at pumasa po sa panlasa ng Speed, members of the press, ang aking pong pagganap sa pelikulang Apag. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre po, kay Direk Brillante Mendoza, it's my first time working with him sa pelikulang ito. Center Stage Productions, Ate Chrisma, lahat po ng kasama namin sa production. Of course, my family. Siyempre po ang aking pong ever faithful and supportive husband, Christopher, Mr. Someru. Of course, ang aking pong anak na narito ngayon, Christoph, my son, who escorted me tonight. Thank you, anak. And of course, Akisha, Grant, Gavin. Pasensya na po, medyo marami akong anak. And of course, my mom, si Mom Z, Mama Zenny, of course, Janice, my sister-in-law, Sis Claire, dahil napaka-supportive po nila sa amin, sa aming pamilya. Mr. Norman Peña Florida, the fashion storyteller for our Modern Filipiniana tonight. And Mama Ray de la Cruz, my ever-trusted friend and who always brings out the best in me. Of course, my manager for almost 3 decades, Nanay Lolit. Nay Lolit, para po sa atin to, Nay. Kuya Gordy. And lahat po ng aming mga kaibigan po sa press na walang sawa na talaga naman pong sumusuporta sa lahat po ng aming mga proyekto. Noon at ngayon, hindi ko po sila nakakalimutan. Ang mga mukha nila, kaya ko silang i-roll call kasi nga po, iba po yung talagang pakikisama, no? At yung pagkakaibigan na nabuo. Maraming salamat higit po sa lahat sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po, Eds.